Connect the console to the device, disconnect and connect energy to reload the device. Okay, and here use the following command: restore dash password, case sensitive. Enter enter the new username, for example, admin1. Enter enter a password. Enter and use at least 3 of the following: lowercase, uppercase, digits, or special characters. Okay, enter the new password. Re-enter the password. Enter. Now, authenticate user admin1 password, the new password, and this is the prompt. Very nice. Thank you very much.